Today we'll see how we can clone a React element. So the first thing that we have to take care of is we have to include a new script altogether, that is React with add-ons. So the original script that we had was just basic React.js functionality, and now this one is with add-on. So we have included that over here, and the rest of the stuff remains same. We have one JSX script wherein we will be doing the cloning feature. Now on the clone component.js, what I've done is I've created a input form, because there are scenarios where we have to add a record and then append another record just below it, a kind of new row creation. So there, this kind of feature will be helpful, cloning it and then allowing the user to enter new information on every row and proceed further. So for that we will be making use of clone with props function, and that is basically available in the add-on library that we have. So react.addons.clonewithprops is what we will be making use of, and the first parameter that it accepts is a React element. So that is what we are passing over here, form element. You can see that we have created an element over here and then passing that over here inside clone with props method. There are a couple of other parameters which you can pass in case you want to have unique IDs. You can do that by putting it over here, key, and then whatever key you were having for the element. So if I had some key over here, I could have specified that property, form element.key, or any unique property that was part of the original element. So I can pass that over here. Please note that the class name and style properties will be merged automatically, and ref and key, these are the two things that are not transferred to the clone element. And as mentioned earlier, if you wish to preserve the key, we can add it to the extra props, and extra props is passed as a parameter over here. Here you can do that, just now I showed you. So that way you can clone a React element. And now if I run this one in browser, you'll notice that there are two elements, form element, and then I'm creating a clone of it from that. So running it in browser will give me two actually. The first is the original one, and then this one is the cloned version of it. So that way you can make use of react.addon.clone with props function.